A window has the shape of a rectangle surmounted by an equilateral triangle. If the perimeter of the window is 12 meter, find the dimension of the rectangle that will produce the largest area of the window. It is dimension of the rectangle that will produce the largest area of the window. Now I have drawn a figure here. Now in this figure, a rectangle APB is surmounted on a rectangle ABCD. An equilateral triangle with side x meters is surmounted on rectangle ABCD with AB is equal to x meters and AD is equal to y meters. Now perimeter of the window. Perimeter of window is equal to, now perimeter is PA, starting from P going to A, PA plus AD plus DC plus CB plus BP. Starting from P moving to P is equal to 12 meters. This is given to us. Perimeter is 12 meter. Now let's fill it. What we are having now? PA plus BP plus DC. So this becomes now 3x. This x plus this x and plus this x and 2y. 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Okay, now we are having area. Area of window is equal to area of equilateral triangle plus area of rectangle. Okay, now combined area A is equal to, now area of rectangle x into y plus area of equilateral triangle root 3 by 4 with side square. And what is side? Side is x square. Okay, so now we are having A is equal to x with y. Now what is y from here? It is 12 minus 3x upon 2 plus root 3 by 4 x square. Okay, so this is the combined area. From here we can write it 3x plus 2y is equal to 12 or y is equal to 12 minus 3x upon 2. Okay, now multiplying and solving, what we are having, area is equal to, let's solve this part, 6x minus, it is now 3x square upon 2 plus root 3 upon 4x square. Okay, or we can write it now further, just for the more simplification, 6x minus in the bracket 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 4 x square. Okay, taking x square common from here. Now differentiating with respect to x, dA by dx is equal to 6. This one 6x becomes 6. Negative of 2 in the bracket x square is what? 2x. So I am writing that 2 here first. 2 with taking this as a LCM part we are having now. We can write it 6 minus root 3 upon 4 with x, like this one. Okay, now for minimum or maximum value, what we are having, dA by dx is equal to 0, or now this becomes 0. So what we are having, we can just write it 12 minus 6 minus root 3x is equal to 0, or x is equal to 12 upon 6 minus root 3. Okay, is it clear? We got x from the derivative of first part. Now differentiating with respect to x again upon dx, double derivative. Now what is the double derivative for this one? Now we are getting as negative of 6 minus root 3 upon 2. Okay, negative of this 2 cancels with 2. This already we have done it here, or we can directly differentiate this part also, you can differentiate it. Okay, so one and the same thing here, we have taken 2 outside to solve the question. So for this part we are having 6 minus root 3 upon 2. Okay, nice. So this becomes negative of, if we are solving this one, negative of 6 plus root 3 upon 2, which is less than 0. Therefore area of window is maximum. Now I have to write something more here. Okay, so that we are going to write it. Now we got it, x we got it. Then what is y now? Y is equal to, y we were having 12 minus 3x upon 2. Or y is equal to 12 minus 3 with x, 12 upon 6 minus root 3 upon 2. And on solving, what we are getting, y is equal to 18 minus 6 root 3 upon 6 minus root 3. Now we got x and y. Now what the question was, find the dimensions of the rectangle that will produce the largest area. Now dimension of rectangle which will produce largest area What are the dimensions? We are having x is equal to 12 upon 6 minus root 3 and y is equal to meters and y is equal to 18 minus 6 root 3 upon 6 minus root 3 meters. Now what I have to write it little bit more. Area of window is maximum when x is equal to 12 upon 6 root 3, 6 minus root 3 meters and y is equal to 18 minus 6 root 3 meters upon 6 minus root 3. So, we got double derivative less than 0. Double derivative less than 0, it means area of the window is maximum. It's okay. Now, we got it that area of the window is maximum. So, this line you can write at the end also. Okay. So, we got the answers as x and y and these are the answers. So, you can use this line at the end also or just put a little bit space and write at the end. Okay.